Good morning, guys. Bonjour, les gars. Comment vous allez? Bonjour, les gars. Bonjour, 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 bonjour. Good morning, guys. How are you? Comment vous allez, les gars? Ça va bien? J'espère que vous allez très bien. Actuellement, on se prépare pour le séminaire, là. Tout à l'heure, on va relever là-bas, ici. Ok? On va relever là-bas très fort, là. Est-ce que vous avez payé le Vie Africa d'abord? Si vous n'avez pas encore payé, pourquoi? Venez, 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 venez. Venez, je vais vous poser une question. Amina, que Dieu vous bénisse. Med Lilfa Diallo, que Dieu te bénisse. Bonjour. Aziz Kombari, comment tu vas? Ok? Comment vous allez, les gars? Actuellement, je suis en train de me bronzer un peu au soleil, là. Je suis en train de me bronzer un peu. Si vous refusez de vous mettre la pression, la pauvreté vous mettra la pression. La vie, nous avons deux options. Soit tu te mets la pression pour réaliser tes rêves. Tu te bats. Tu te mets la pression et tu réalises tes rêves. Soit tu te mets pas la pression et les réalités de la vie te mettent la pression. Ok, merci bien, merveilleusement bien. Ok, tout à l'heure, soyez connectés à partir de 16h parce qu'il y a une magie qui va se dérouler ici. Je serai en direct à partir de 16h. Là, je suis à Abuja, yes. Kof le Rifla, comment tu vas? How do you feel, guys? I am in Nigeria, yes. I'm in Abuja. We will create many crazy guys, many crazy women. Yes. Yes, Taïrou Issa, comment tu vas? Ayouba Madou, comment tu vas? Vous avez payé vos Vicom Afrique? Les gars, je suis très excité à atteindre le Vicom Afrique parce que il n'y a jamais eu ça en Afrique de l'Ouest ici, ce sera une première. Et nous devons nous défier. We need to push yourself to do this training. The Africa, if it will be reality, it will define the legacy. Ok? Vous voulez participer, parler avec moi? Ok? En direct. Kofi Dotemba, good morning. How do you feel? Aliku Anderson, how do you feel? Est-ce que vous avez payé? Do you pay your V Africa pass? Please, you need to pay. You need. Président Vesquet, le président Vesquet, l'homme fort. Ravi de te voir, mon frère, là. Ah, ravi de te voir, président Vesquet. Ouais, les gars, la vie est merveilleuse quand on décide de prendre le contrôle de notre vie. Parce que si vous ne... Yes, I will be where you... Yes. Do you buy your... Thank you, VP IBM. Do you buy your V Africa ticket? You want to buy to come in V Africa because it will be a first time in Africa. And this training, because someone we believe drop today, we need to buy the ticket of V Africa to come to reborn your belief. Because I remember when I start this business 2010, I do 9 months. 9 months. I am not signing up my 2. Why? Because I do a business, but my belief, I have not fire inside. And after 9 months, my upline tell me we have a training in Ivory Coast. You need to buy a ticket to come in this training. But for me, it's not correct to come. I tell why Kunet cannot pay for me, and I will go to see a training free. Because we tell Kunet have the money. Because one day I have this mentality traditional. I said that Queen have the money. Why Queen don't buy for me? My plan push myself. He telling me, Yusuf, if you want to change your life, I know you have many problems because you have not signed up. You need to put yourself to buy your ticket to come in this training. Okay? But he put myself. I don't believe I can because for me, it's very difficult. I have not money in this business. When I have the money, I will go to do training. My upline tell me, no, you want to go this training because I know this training will change your life. And dear leaders, this is 2011. And I put myself to come in this training. When I arrive in this training, after 3 months, I have a 300 people in my network, and my network start to grow because to start this business is a decision. But decision to make a success is different, but decision to do this business. Because when you go in training, big training, you will see many leaders will come to share a story, to share, to grow your power, to build yourself. Because the big company in the world is yourself. And after this training, my network start to grow, start to grow, start to grow. After I make fast in some challenge, and all my network drop also. Because I see many things in this business. When my network drop, I become negative and I'm not solution to make a success. And we tell me we have a Revicon Abidjan, and we tell me you need to buy. But when I go in Revicon Abidjan, I have many problems. But why I want to go in training? Because I have a problem. We don't go you don't fight to buy your ticket to go in the Africa because you have not problem. No, you want to go because of your problem. Because many people do mistake because we tell I have a problem is because I cannot do this training. No, you want to do a training because you have a problem, because you have a challenge in your life. And when you start to build your house, if you borrow money to build your house and the house is not finished, you will borrow money every time to finish the house. And when the house finish, you will be happy. It's same to this business. Because when I start, I borrow money, I have a challenge, my family will not me. All downline tell you, VP, hey, Sila Yusuf, this is very difficult for me. Okay? But I go in this training. It's not easy when you have a challenge to go in training, but you need to do a sacrifice. What is sacrifice in life? Because many people tell a sacrifice when everything is okay in your life. No, the sacrifice is when you have not possibility. The sacrifice is when everything is bad in your life. The sacrifice is when everything is difficult in your life and you put yourself to do. We call this sacrifice. But if everything is okay, it's not sacrifice. But my upline tell me, you need to go a training. And when I go in training, because I have a 2 years, 3 years this business, not success. And sometimes I have not money home to eat. My children have not money to take care of my family. I have many challenge. And the challenge I have make me a bad attitude. But I say that I want to go in this training to have the answer of my question. And when I go in this training, the fire come in my heart. This training, when VP IBN Abbas come and some V partner to share the story, VP IBN tell, I start this business, the first year, no money, 2 years, no money, 3 years, no money. But after 3 years, my success start. Wow. And I see many people who are very crazy. And I take my decision to stay in this business, to do in this, start to do a business. But the training helped me to have a fire in my heart. Okay? And after this training, we tell me, Burkina Faso, 2030, this is when I will not forget the Burkina Faso 2000. When the training Burkina Faso 2030 start, Arif, I have a one leader in my country. I tell him, thank you to his name is leader Lokoko. He have a more success. And I go to see him and I tell him, leader, I have a challenge, I have many problems. What's your secret of success? And he tell me the secret of success is training. The secret of success is training. We have a Revicon Burkina Faso. You need to put yourself to go. I said that, okay, if the secret is the training, I will go also. And I take a decision to go in this training. But when I go in this training, I have a many problem because my property, I have not money, sometimes to eat in home, and many downline cry. We telling me, VC, you see this, every VC many problem. And the problem of my downline affect me. Because when many downline cry, it affect yourself. But you need to go in training to put the rubbish in training and to renew yourself, to renew your dream, to renew your belief is because I go to borrow money also to go in Burkina Faso 2030. When I go this training and I see VP Adli, yes, I thank all V partner to participate to change my life today because I tell him thank you. When I go this training, I see Marwan Taloji the first time to come to show how we do a success in this business. VP Iben come after number one. Thank you, VP number one, because you participate to change my life today. All V partner, I grab you and I say you thank you to change my life. Okay? Many V partner come to show a story. And when VP hardly come, he tell when he start this business, he have a big boss of company. He stop everything. And he start this business and he do mass out. To mass out, it becomes zero. And after zero, he build also to do a mass out. I say, yes, if he do mass out and he comes zero and he rebuild to go up, I will do for me. And I take this decision. When I come Ivory Coast, I start to push all my downline. No excuse. Presentation, presentation, presentation. I'm not big check, but my belief come big. And after this, we tell me Beacon is very good. Yes, how are you? Yes, very well. Yes, very well, bro. I tell him, we tell me, you need to put yourself to go Vicon. Because when you go Vicon, it's different. No money. I push myself to take a money to go in Vicon 2015. Wow. When I arrive in Vicon 2050, I see 20,000 people in same room. Every guy come from in different country were crazy. And my dream one day to touch Dato Sri Vijay Esvaran. And when I go this training, when I see many V partner to share a story, I see many things. I take a decision to do a mass out. And I say, I will do mass out after this training, after 3 months. Some guy tell me, no, African is different because Africa is very hard. Africa is this. I tell him, no, 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 because we have a many dreamer in Africa. We have a many warrior in Africa. We have a many guy in Africa will want to change the life. And this business is good for Africa. And when I take a decision after this beacon, when I come, I do my first mass out. Wow, the life of Massad is very beautiful. You cannot imagine when you have 15,000 every week, you become crazy. In 1 year after this Vicon, I built a house. because my all problem finished. 2016, my life changed. And I say thank you today, Dato Srivige, to help me to change my life. I say thank you, all guys, we train me, we help me to push myself. Because when I start this business, I don't believe myself. I don't believe my dream. I have not dreamed because I was born a poor family. I cannot imagine one day I will become a billionaire. I cannot imagine. I cannot imagine this. But many upline push me. You can, you can, you can, you can. Because when you was born in poor family and your old friend is family is poor, when you go to tell them you will be rich, we lie you. We will say that you are crazy because to become rich is not easy. Very rich is for look, very rich is this, very rich is duke. But if you want to a solution, if you want a solution of your problem, come in V Africa. Because V Africa will change many things. V Africa will born many leaders for Ghana, Nigeria, Gambia, all country, Togo, Benin, Burkina Faso, all country. Everywhere you were, please put yourself, make a sacrifice. Come in V Africa. Oh, this is for English guys. I love you guys, but I will speak French now. Donc, je vous le dis, il faut pousser les limites pour venir à cette formation. Lorsque je partais en 2013 au Burkina Faso, c'est un pays que je ne peux jamais oublier. Parce que vraiment, mon plus grand déclic dans la vie est venu de mes plus grandes difficultés. Parce que quand j'ai démarré le business, 9 mois avant d'avoir mes deux, c'était un défi pour moi. J'étais dans le business, mais je ne croyais plus. Et après ça, il y a eu une formation à Abidjan. On a payé ces formations. Après ces formations, certes, on n'a pas fait le massage, mais ces formations nous ont maintenus dans le business. Et lorsqu'ils nous ont dit, je suis allé voir un leader à ce moment, et je profite ici pour dire merci à ce leader aujourd'hui qu'on appelle leader Lokoko. Je suis allé le voir parce que c'est lui qui faisait beaucoup de succès. J'ai demandé au leader, quel est ton secret? Il m'a dit, le secret, c'est la formation. Il a dit, ok, si le secret, c'est la formation, même si c'est pour m'endetter plusieurs fois pour aller faire formation jusqu'à ce que ce déclic-là vienne, je vais continuer de m'endetter jusqu'à ce que ce déclic vienne. Et je suis allé au Burkina Faso. Arrivé au Burkina Faso, je n'avais même pas 5 francs dans ma poche. Il faut dire, pour manger même, c'était difficile. Parfois, quand les gens mangeaient, je m'approchais à eux et je mangeais aussi. C'est la VP. Il y avait Number One, il y avait Marwan Talodji. Ça, c'est les grands leaders. C'est des gens qui font du succès il y a longtemps. Et il y avait le VP Ibn Abbas. Quelqu'un qui m'a inspiré depuis 2012 lorsque j'ai rentré dans les pages. Et après tout cela, il y avait Chief Patman qui est venu et le V-Partner Abdi est venu rencontrer son histoire. Quand il a démarré le business, comment il a fait le Massaout et de Massaout, il s'est retrouvé à $0 et il a repris, il est allé au Massaout. Il a dit, waouh, je suis parti au Burkina avec beaucoup de problèmes. Je suis venu décharger. Quand je suis arrivé, cette fois m'a permis de ne plus écouter les downlines, de pousser mes limites, de pousser mes limites, de pousser mes limites. Et cette fois m'a permis d'atteindre 2015, le Vicon. Lorsque je me suis retrouvé au Vicon 2015, parmi plusieurs participants, et que j'ai pu toucher le fondateur, et j'ai dit Dato Srivige. J'ai crié Dato Srivige. Un jour, le monde parlera de moi parce que je vais écrire mon histoire dans ce livre de network marketing. Parce que je serai l'un des grands networkers. Pour aller à ce Vicom, beaucoup ne sont pas partis, mais aujourd'hui, ils sont morts. Ils sont morts, ils ne sont pas partis. Mais après ce Vicom, j'ai pris la décision de faire le mass out. Certains m'ont dit l'Afrique est difficile. L'Afrique est ceci. Je dis il y a des rêveurs en Afrique. Il y a des guerriers en Afrique. Il y a des gens qui veulent changer de vie en Afrique. Rêver n'a rien à voir avec la peau. Rêver n'a rien à voir avec d'où on vient. Et quand j'ai eu ce feu-là, je suis venu. En 6 mois, j'ai fait le mass out. En 2016, ma vie a changé parce que l'année 2016 seulement, j'ai encaissé plus de $500,000. Et ma vie a changé, les gars. Aujourd'hui, on a atteint la liberté financière grâce à ce business. Est-ce que vous savez ce qui c'est la liberté financière, en fait? C'est lorsque tu peux dormir et tu as des commissions, en fait. Et c'est le network marketing qui a cette force. Donc, ce que je vous dis, ceux qui ont des problèmes, je veux ceux qui ont des problèmes seulement au Vie Africa Abuja. C'est pour ceux qui ont des problèmes que cette formation a été organisée. Cette formation a été organisée pour ceux qui ont beaucoup de défis. Cette formation a été organisée pour ceux qui ont des challenges. Mon frère, si tu as beaucoup de problèmes, tu veux que je te dise quelque chose. Arrête-toi. Viens au Vie Africa. Dépasse tes limites. Pousse tes limites. Parce que je suis sûr, c'est la première fois qu'il aura un Vie Africa. Et ça fait plus de 10 années qu'il n'y a jamais eu ça. Ça va faire renaître de nouveaux leaders. Donc le Vie Africa Nigeria, nous sommes en train de préparer. I love you guys. Bon dimanche à vous tous de vie. Donc ce soir, je serai en direct. Parce que là, je suis ici. On va parler à plus de 3 000 personnes pour les aider à venir au Vie Africa. Ces 3 000 personnes doivent payer leur Vie Africa, ça c'est sûr. Et ce soir, il y aura beaucoup de changements. Donc je vous aime mes chers guerriers, je vous aime mes chers warriors. I love you. Partagez, 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 partagez. Payez le Vie Africa, vous n'avez plus assez de temps. Mettez-vous la pression. Vivi.